We're looking here at what would be a normal calculator on your phone. You're out and about. Typically, you're going to be problem solving, okay, and using ordinary, your own language, English language, and it needs to be translated into maths. So this is over here on this side, you can see I have language used to help solve everyday maths problems. So underneath this sign here, you'll be familiar, it's the addition sign. We know it as plus, but it also helps you to find the sum of numbers. Add 1 and 2 together, find the total. All together is another term that would means we're going to be adding. If you want to add something more onto another figure, you're going to use this sign. Increase something, use this sign. I'm going to come on here. This is our takeaway sign, but it's also known as subtract, minus. If you want to find the difference between two numbers, how much less one thing is than another, you're going to subtract. If you're decreasing an amount by another amount, you're going to use this. If you're looking for money off, you're going to be subtracting. This sign here is our multiply, okay? We all remember our times table. If you have groups of the same number, so say you're adding 2 plus 2 plus 2, that's 3 groups of 2. 3 times 2 is 6. This word of is very important for us today because if we want to use our calculator to find a percentage, so we want to find, I'm just going to put it up here, it's important to note that the word of means multiply, especially when asked to find 25% of 200 on your calculator. You key in the following. You literally key in 2, 5, your percentage sign, multiply, and your 200, and press equals, and your answer will be 50, okay? That is 25% of 200. Going on here, this is our division. If I'm talking too fast, please interrupt me and tell me to slow down. Here we have our divide sign. So if you want to share money, so for instance, you've won the lotto and you want to share it between your family and there's 4 people in your family, you're going to divide by 4. If you want to know how much you would get each, you're going to divide. Again here, I'm sure you've seen the sign in the shops. It's here on your calculator. This is our percentage sign. Anytime you want to use any of these signs to solve a problem, you press equals and it's going to give you your answer. Okay, I'm going to move on now. These are a few tips, okay? The importance of the decimal point when using a calculator. It divides euros from cents. So here we have €1, we have the decimal point, and 99 cents. It is important to not confuse it with a comma. I've had occasions where students see this number, which is 1,999, and they go to enter it into their calculator and they end up putting in a decimal point. And as you'll see further on, it makes it €1.99. Okay, so a common mistake when using a calculator is to use the decimal point in place of a comma. And this is what happens. So instead of having €1,000 in your calculator, it ends up as €1. Huge difference in value, okay? Another mistake is to leave out the decimal point. If you leave it out on your calculator, as you can see, 199 becomes 199, okay?